Alrighty, Al, here's your 427 small block Ford. Use Christmas combination. Good set of our CNC heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. All of these Borla, all blacked out. So the Specialties front, that's the front end, all blacked out. Got the rear sump oil pan. We're gonna make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 466 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 543, peak horsepower 576. We rated at 575. It's got a front end on it, that's about 15, so runs good. That's the new head in Borla. Pull the pipes back now, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. Receiver in, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have engine number. If you need anything from us, that's the easiest way to look you up. Some other specs. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more specifications. Have a great day.